Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long range weather forecast discussion for December 20th through January 1st. For the period for December 20th to 21st, we have a ridge is forecast near the Aleutians. We have a trough here, and we have another ridge over much of eastern Canada or across east central North America, and I'll show you that as we go through the pattern. See, that's what I'm talking about right here. We have our ridge trough configuration. Here's our low that we're going to be, excuse me, my mouse is acting up. Here's our upper low or storm system that will be affecting the coast. Now, during this period, we're going to have deep moisture from the Pacific that was sitting southward over coastal areas of the Northwest after Friday. So we go to Friday. You see there's deep moisture flowing in, and this will happen as a front moves onshore on Saturday, which we're on Saturday. Let's see, we'll go to Saturday. Here comes our first system with the front. Here's the front trailing here, and this could provide multiple inches of precipitation over 2 to 3 day period. And we'll take a look at this further, and we'll go back to Saturday. See very heavy precipitation, very heavy snow. And then we'll look at the European, or the GFS, the European and European ensembles. So they're pretty much in agreement. And then in the east, temperatures will be above average with dry conditions with an upper ridge overhead. And the northeast will experience moderation after a cold start on Friday. And then we're going to take a look here at this Gulf system. Starts affecting the Gulf, and this will bring rain to parts of the southeast. But as of now, this could cause locally heavy rain. But as of now, the system, the models take it east, where you can see it here. Go to Monday, Tuesday next weekend, it's out. GFS. Then we'll take a look at the European. A little bit further to the north, but not much. And then we'll look at its ensembles. So all the models take it east. And some snow will be possible in the northern fringes of the marginally colder air of the southern Appalachians if the precipitation extends that far. Got to look now at the period for December 23rd to the 27th. The pattern doesn't change very much. We have a deep trough forecast over western North America, and we have a ridge over eastern Canada and the eastern U.S. Fairly strong ridge here according to the GFS. So models good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the west coast. Forecast anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures of forecast from the Rockies to Atlantic coast, with the anomalies of 4 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation for the western states, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. Then we have below normal precipitation for the Mississippi Valley to Atlantic coast. Probability of occurrence is 40%. Taking a look at the period for December 28th to January 1st. The models are not in very good agreement during this period, and we'll take a look at the European ensembles. Have a deep trough in the west, ridge in the east. While the other models are showing something like this, generally below normal heights across, near to below normal across much of the nation. We still have our ridge here. But also during this period, we'll take a look at the GFS, the NAO, be near neutral, while the AO will be positive. So there's not much change, no blocking or so forth. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures west of the divide, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 degrees. It could be more in this area, and then we have above normal temperatures east of the Mississippi River with anomalies of about 4 degrees, maybe a little bit more, especially across this area. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 20th to January 1st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.